Hello Bladers! Have you ever wondered what are the most expensive fines for traffic violations in the Philippines? Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Number 1. The Anti-Distracted Driving Act. The Anti-Distracted Driving Act is a law that prohibits motorists from using communication devices and other electronic entertainment while their vehicles are in motion or temporarily stopped on a traffic light or an intersection. The fine for violating this act costs a hefty 5,000 pesos for the first offense, 10,000 pesos for the second offense, and a staggering 15,000 pesos for the third offense. Mind you, if you're still quite a hard-headed person and continue this, if you catch the third offense, your driver's license will also be suspended for 3 months. And be warned, you're looking at a painful 20,000 pesos fine and the revocation of your driver's license for the fourth offense. Number 2. Failure to display the regular motor vehicle license plate with a commemorative plate. As we all know, not everyone uses the car plates but still uses the conduction sticker as their plates. Motor vehicles, regardless of make, model, and year, are mandated to display their designated license plates at all times. However, the Land Transportation Office has released what they call commemorative plates. These special plates were bought from the Land Transportation Office by the public so that a specific event or a recognized entity may be honored. Samples of commemorative plates are license plates released for a specific batch of university alumni as well as special members of the judiciary, legislative, and executive branches of government. Special these plates are, however, by law, there is a proper method of displaying them. These commemorative plates should be displayed beside the issued motor vehicle license plate, not covering the license plate. The fine for violating this rule costs 5,000 pesos in the first, second, and third offense. Number 3. Illegal or unauthorized counterflow. Most of our roads in the metro are painted with different lines that assist motorists to traverse their daily commutes and help them get to their destination safely. Some lines help designate specific vehicles such as the yellow bus lanes and EDSA, while others help the motorist when to perform a maneuver such as where and when to stop in an intersection. If caught again, the fine is still at 2,000 pesos, but the suspension time will be doubled at 6 months, and for the third time, the license will be revoked, plus another fine of 2,000 pesos. The double yellow lines found along road curves as well in busy streets in front of a densely populated area such as a school indicates that with poor judgment, and without proper authorization, a motorist cannot perform a counterflow. If apprehended, performing a counterflow within the double yellow line will surely grant the motorist a fine of 2,000 pesos and the suspension of their license for 3 months. Number 4. Towing fees of illegally parked vehicles. Parking in the metro can be a pain. As per some websites, the average Filipino driver would spend a considerable amount of time looking for parking near their destinations. If the authorities would notice the illegally car parking, they would wait beside the vehicle, and if the driver returns during this period, they would lecture the driver, issue a ticket, and request the driver to find proper parking. If the driver would not be back during the period the authorities are waiting for him to return, they would tow and impound the car. This process of towing is not free. The fine would depend on the size of the towed vehicle, which ranges from 1,500 pesos to 4,500 pesos respectively. Number 5. Overspeeding. As a driver, always be cautious and check if there are signages which indicate the maximum speed you need to be in. There are many roads in the metro where the vehicle speed is checked carefully and violators are given a fine if they are caught violating this regulation. Fines though differ from place to place. For example, an overspeeding fine in Diosdado Macapagal Avenue costs 2,000 pesos, while overspeeding in other major avenues would be charged 1,200 pesos. So we should always be mindful of the speed limit when traversing the busy roads in the metro and other roads as well. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the violations you know of? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe at one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.